In Khakas language, every word works like a train. The root is the locomotive that leads, and the affixes are carriages that must follow specific harmony rules. The root decides what kind of affixes can attach to it. Welcome to learning Khakas language. Khakas follows two main harmony rules that make the language flow smoothly. Think of words as trains. The root is the locomotive, and affixes are the carriages. Just like train carriages must connect properly, affixes must harmonize with their roots. The second harmony rule is about vowels. Hard vowels attract hard vowels, and soft vowels attract soft ones. In the example Oynaan, the root oyna has hard vowels, so it takes the hard vowel suffix -an. This creates a smooth, harmonious sound flow throughout the word. Welcome to learning Khakas. Khakas is a beautiful Turkic language spoken in southern Siberia. What makes this language special is its sound harmony system. Think of Khakas words like trains, quote, where the root word is the locomotive that pulls the rest of the word, and all the parts must work together harmoniously. The first harmony rule is about consonant sounds. In Khakas, voiced consonants attract voiced consonants, and voiceless consonants attract voiceless ones. Think of it like train tracks. Voiced sounds travel on the voiced track, like in Parğan, where the R sound pulls the voiced. Voiceless sounds use their own track, like Sykhhan, where the voiceless k attracts the voiceless h. The vowel harmony rule works like tunnels on our train track. Hard vowels travel through the hard tunnel and attract other hard vowels. In Oynaan, both the root and suffix have hard vowels. Soft vowels use the soft tunnel, like in Kizilur, where both parts contain soft vowels. This creates a smooth, harmonious sound flow. Now let's see both harmony rules working together in one word. Tup, I am. The root top ends with voiceless p, so the first affix t starts with voiceless t. That's consonant harmony. The vowels and I are both soft, so they harmonize together. This shows how both rules apply simultaneously to create perfectly harmonious Khakas words. Congratulations! You now understand the core principles of Khakas harmony. Remember, voiced consonants attract voiced consonants. Voiceless attract voiceless. Hard vowels pair with hard vowels, soft with soft. Think of every Khakas word as a train, where the root locomotive determines what kind of carriages can follow. These harmony rules create the beautiful, flowing sound patterns that make Khakas such a melodious language. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master the rhythm of Khakas.